the Arizona Fallen Heroes Memorial Ride is happening tomorrow to raise money for a local charity. The 100 Club of Arizona supports law enforcement here in our state. Motorcyclists will ride in southern Arizona and will end their ride at the Harley-Davidson dealership off I-10 around 2 p.m. where they will celebrate with a socially distanced barbecue.
Charities definitely are struggling right now for fundraising opportunities, and this particular event started to be planned last year in the end of September, October. So they were planning for 2020 then. And we all, like everyone, all of a sudden March hits and we think, oh my gosh, what are we going to do? Do we continue to go forward with this? Do we just stop, pull the strings and then just go to 2021? But fortunately, we continue to plug away on it.
They will be raffling off a 2020 Harley-Davidson motorcycle, and you can also win $10,000 if you buy a ticket for that fundraiser. If you have a craving for EEGEE'S on your drive to Phoenix, good news, the Tucson-based restaurant chain is opening several new locations. EEGEE'S will set up shop in Phoenix, Mesa, Scottsdale, and Gilbert beginning in the second quarter of 2021. The chain has grown to include 24 locations throughout Tucson since opening in 1971. 7 more restaurants will also be opening here in the Tucson area in 2021. Stay with us. We will be right back after this.